Okay guys, so today I'm vlogging. So for the past hour I've been putting together an inspiring fall Pinterest board. And I'm in the mood to explore and shop and see what fall goodies they have out at Target, Marshalls, whatever. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm going to have a full day of fall fun. So I recently just hauled a bunch of stuff from Sephora and Ulta. So I want to just quickly like apply some of this new makeup and try it out. So I got the Versed Multi Serum Skin Tint and then the Serum Concealer. So I'm gonna try these on and see how they work. Then I got the Rare Beauty Cheek and Lip Set, the Tahine collab. And look at how beautiful this blush is. Like, my shirt is inspiring me to use a fall colored blush, so I'll be trying this out. And then I also got this blush from MAC. This is called Ginger Luck. I've already used it, but it's such a beautiful color, and these blushes are so good. Like, look at that. So I'm going to quickly pop on all this new makeup, then I'm gonna head out and explore all the fun fall stuff. Alright, so I'm back with my fall haul. They had so much fall decor out and I had to contain myself because I already have a good amount of fall decor. I don't have any fall autumn towels, so I just bought some hand towels for the kitchen and bathroom. Comes with two. I got this at Marshalls and it was $8.99. And then I also got this at Marshalls. This is so cute. This was $6 and it says Spooky Girl Season because it is the season. And it's so cute because it comes with like a small tote bag. So from Target, I got those pumpkin sugar Pillsbury cookies, and then I got the chocolate chip cookies because I want to bake easy cookies with my son. So I got those, and then I also got the EOS 24-hour moisture body lotion, and this is in the scent Creme de Pistachio. So good. It reminds me of Sol de Janeiro, the Bum Bum cream. So I was like, this is $10 and it is a 16 fluid ounce. So I'm like, I'm definitely picking that up. I have another one by this brand and I actually really like the lotion. So if you see this, you should pick it up because it smells so close to the Bum Bum cream in my opinion. And I actually didn't get any of the decor at Target because nothing was really standing out to me. So it was more so just to look around and inhale all the fall vibes, you know? So I've been looking for like a really nice, almost like a cool toned brown nail polish. and I found this one from Essie. It is the Expressy Quick Dry Nail Color, and this is in the shade Never Skip a Beat, and it's a beautiful cool tone brown, and I am definitely going to be painting my nails this color because it's just giving fall. And I'm so glad I found this because this was like the shade that I've been looking for in all of my inspo picks. However, this was $10. And I know that's like normal now for nail polishes, like the price, but oh my gosh, that is so expensive for a nail polish, $10. Like I remember back in the day, nail polish was like $1.99 or 99 cents. It used to be so cheap. Everything is so expensive now, but it's such a beautiful shade. I can't wait to try it on. And then I actually got this a couple days ago, but I got this from Burlington Coat Factory, and it is so soft and it feels so cozy, and you better believe I'm gonna be wearing this tonight. It is this super cute pumpkin PJ set. Like, how cute is this? And it is just such nice, soft, cozy material. Like, this is just giving all the vibes. I cannot wait to sleep in this. This is actually a lot better than I thought it would be. Just tastes a hint of the jalapeno, but I can see why this went viral and how people are obsessed with it. Now I know that this should be like a hot toddy or like a chai espresso martini or something. I bought the ingredients for this drink the other day and I just had to have it. I am wearing my pumpkin pajamas and they are so comfortable. Like, this is just the softest set of pajamas I have. So right now I want to set up all of my fall spooky season decor, and it is literally only pumpkins. So this is what I have as my decor. It's not that much, but it's enough for my home. I just like a few pops of fall decor around the house. So I have the towels I just got today. I got this at home not that long ago, and then a bunch of little mini pumpkins that I'm just gonna place throughout the house. All right, so we have everything set up. I just kind of spread the pumpkins throughout the house. I let my son put a pumpkin somewhere and that's where he wants to put it. Pumpkins up there, pumpkin there, and then put the throw blanket and my only pumpkin pillow. Or I'm also getting orange pillow covers to put here, so I'm gonna have one orange pillow here and one orange pillow here. It's not much, but it's definitely giving fall. All right, so we are gonna get ready for our movie night, and right now we're making our cookies. I got inspiration from Pinterest where you put the sugar cookie on top of a chocolate chip cookie. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, we're gonna start off with this many and see how well they bake together. Here's the first batch.
Look at our cookies.
So these are how the cookies turned out. This is the first batch. We have a bunch more in the oven right now cooking. Now we're gonna make some popcorn to go with our movie. All right, so we're ready for our movie night. We got our popcorn ready, got the vibes going, and we are gonna watch Monster House. This movie is so nostalgic to me because I went and saw this in theater like when I was in middle school when this came out. Such a good movie.
I'm scared because it's scary.
Good morning, guys. So I actually got to sleep in this morning, but I still feel so tired. Every morning I make myself a coffee. The grocery store was littered with pumpkin pie, pumpkin spice creamer. So I picked up this International Delight cold foam creamer in pumpkin pie spice, and it is so yummy. So lately I've been doing this super delicious coffee recipe, and I've been putting the Ghirardelli sweet ground white chocolate powder in my coffee, using almond milk and then topping it with some type of cold foam. Most days I don't do cold foam, but since they had the pumpkin pie one, I'm like, oh yeah, I definitely gotta try that. And I only do 2 teaspoons of white chocolate powder because I don't want it to be super sweet, but I do like to taste some sweet in my coffee. So I actually have this Cuisine Art coffee machine that I've had for so long, like 10 years, I think. And she works very well. I'd love to upgrade her to a Breville coffee machine, but that is like $500. And this is the coffee roast I use all the time. It's so good. The medium Pike's Place coffee roast from Starbucks. It took me lots of different types of coffees to figure out which one I liked the best, because I used to always do a dark roast, but I think it's a little too bitter for me. So this medium roast is like perfection. I do enjoy hot coffee, especially on a nice crisp fall morning. We're gonna have cold coffee, so I'm just gonna add some almond milk. The French vanilla one is my favorite from this specific brand, but this pumpkin pie one is actually so delicious. This is so good, it just wakes me right up. So I want to do my nails right now because I want to put on this nail polish that I got the other day, and this is my inspiration. It's that beautiful cool tone brown color, and I actually have decently sized nails right now, so I'm going to try and file them into a nice shape and then paint my nails. Right now I'm watching this new movie on Apple TV called Highest to Lowest with Denzel Washington in it, and it's getting so good. All right, so I got my nails all filed, and I'm gonna do the gel polish because it makes it last so much longer. So I gotta do the gel base coat and then the color, and then I gotta wait for it to dry, and then I'm gonna do the top coat. I'm so excited to see how this color turns out. Okay, so the nail polish is officially dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on the top coat. My nails are done. They actually turned out so good. Let me get in better lighting so we could see the color. So here they are in better lighting. They're like a beautiful taupey brown, and I love this color. I do want to try and find another color that's a little bit lighter than this. Do I think the nail polish is worth 10 bucks? I don't know. We will find out and see how it wears. But this color is gorgeous. But I do think I'm gonna end the vlog off here. If you made it all the way to the end, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. It will help me so much, and I will see you in the next vlog.